how to enlarge or decrease the keyboard font size on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now scroll down, then tap on Font Size. In here, you can make the size of the keyboard keys smaller, or you can enlarge it by tapping on the slider button over here and move it to the right. Or you can move it to the left by tapping on the minus button or the add button. And that's it. There are 3 different sizes you could choose: small, medium, or large. And that's it. So select a keyboard font size and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.